You can't really see it, kind of. We were just going to go away. We were just thinking about going and grabbing some supplies for a project we're going to do tomorrow. And all of a sudden, across the field, look at that. It looks like something you'd see on a movie, don't you think?
Yeah.
You look at it, it's like blowing in from the west. It's like, you see it blowing that way, going over us?
Yeah.
But look at it coming. I mean, up in a minute ago, you could see them hills. Look at it. It's getting. Don't trip and break my neck. It's getting closer. It's like something you see in a movie, don't you think?
Yeah.
The storm's coming. Turn my light off behind us.
Sure.
There you go. I don't know if that's affecting the video. But look at this. You can see it. Yeah, you can feel it now. Feel that? Boy. I don't know if this video is catching it. Like it. Take the camera for a second. Got something like blue. It's poking me pretty hard. Right now, back like foot. Yeah, we were just gonna leave. We'll get supplies for a project we're doing tomorrow. You wait till you see that sucker. And we were, well, it's like 50, 55 now. They predict tonight is going to get down to like 5 degrees or something. It's going to be high of 8 tomorrow. There's a storm coming in. I guess when they said the storm was coming in.
They aren't joking.
We're not kidding, because you can see it getting closer on that side now. You see it getting closer?
Yeah.
Over there. And you see it surrounding us, kind of. See that? It's like, oh my goodness, we were going to go.
Guess.
I just told my son, maybe we will
Stay home.
we'll stay home. Go down, put some more wood in the wood stove furnace, and hunker down.
Guess we're gonna be in the eye of the storm.
I said it was coming, but the problem is the news people are wrong so often.
Just shrug it off.
You do. Like they said, it's going to hit severe weather warning between 6 p.m. tonight and 4 p.m. tomorrow, and it's 4:45. So, yeah. But you see how you can't see the trees as well now,
I know.
right? Like those trees are only like I don't know, half mile to a quarter mile away, somewhere between probably 3/8 of a mile away.
Yeah, and over there, we.
Look at it.
They're all starting to blur too, a little bit.
It is. It's.
Insanity.
It really is. We're gonna hang out here for a few minutes and see how long it takes to cover the tree, though.
Oh.
It is. You see, it's coming across now.
Yep.
You see that?
Guess your wish has been granted.
We were just down there
Whoa. There's like a.
looking for something in the field. I was trying to find a piece of pipe that was down there, but we couldn't break it loose. And here it comes. Look at this. This is. Yeah, we definitely.
Yeah. Forget this. And we guys, we just want to say one thing. Leave a like and smash.
Hey, it's coming. The storm. The storm. The storm is coming, boy. The storm.
We're not in a movie yet.
Look at that. Now you can barely see them trees.
I know. And now we're getting the rain piece. Well, anyways, leave a like and smash that subscribe.
The end of it. The storm.
They did the swarm?
The swarm? Holy crap, the swarm! Put your hood up and you're doing.
Okay, guys, now I'm blind.
Crazy. Look at it. You can't even see where we could see. Oh my god, it is. And look that way, you can't see the trees back
Wow.
there. The trees are now gone. Them pine trees you could see a few minutes ago
Are gone. Poof.
That is so crazy. You can hear it begin when it hit the tin roof.
Yep.
This is so crazy.
I know. It's coming.
I'm glad.
We didn't go.
Yeah, I'm glad that we
Chose to stay home.
well, that we didn't leave 5 minutes sooner.
Yeah.
Get caught in it. Oh, I can't even see barely over there, and you can't see that.
You can barely see through our mailbox.
I know, that is so crazy. This is really. Yeah, I guess we're gonna end the video.
Okay.
now.
Okay, leave a big thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. Punch it right in that. What's that thing? That thing that looks like a fork? That plant?
Shumat tree.
Punch it right in the Shumat tree. Anyways, peace.